Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw a line with a specific length in Autocad. This is one of the most important beginner skills in Autocad because accurate line lengths are essential for precise drafting and professional designs. Whether you are creating architectural drawings, engineering plans, or technical sketches, knowing how to create exact line lengths will improve both your speed and accuracy. So, let's get started. First, activate the Line tool. You can do this in two ways. Click the Line tool from the toolbar or type Line into the command line. Then press Enter. Using the command line is usually faster and is commonly used by professional AutoCAD users. Once the Line command is active, click anywhere in the drawing area to set the starting point of your line. Now, move your cursor in the direction where you want the line to extend. At this point, do not click again. Instead, type the exact length you want for the line. For example, 50, 100, 250, or any required measurement. After typing the value, press Enter. AutoCAD will automatically create a line with that exact length in the direction you selected. This allows you to draw accurately without guessing distances manually. For an even better experience, you can enable dynamic input. Simply press F12 on your keyboard. Dynamic input displays measurement information directly near your cursor, making it easier to see lengths while drawing. This feature helps improve precision and workflow efficiency. Using exact line lengths is extremely useful for floor plans, mechanical parts, technical drawings, engineering layouts, and detailed drafting projects. And that's it. You now know how to draw a line with a specific length in AutoCAD. This simple technique will help make your drawings cleaner, more accurate, and more professional. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and share this tutorial with others learning AutoCAD. Thanks for watching and happy designing!